Hey y'all, we are jumping straight into this makeup look and I'm going to be prepping my eyebrows using the Laura Mercier translucent setting powder and just lightly packing that into the eyebrows. Next, I'm going to prime my skin using the Milk Hydro Grip Primer. You guys, this is my favorite primer. I always rave about this product in all of my makeup videos because it does the job far as gripping your foundation to your skin, and it does work for all skin types. And if you do want a dupe for this product, you can definitely check out the e.l.f. primer. I do have that one as well. And here I'm just sculpting out my eyebrows. If you guys want an in-depth eyebrow tutorial, definitely let me know that down below in the comments. But today, sis, this look is all about the eyes. So I'm going to be using a eyeshadow base. This is from Juvia's Place, and I really do like to go in with a base when I'm using bright colors because it just makes the eyeshadow pop and last a whole lot longer. And I'm just using a flat eyeshadow brush to smooth out that base. And the first color that I'm going to be using is this beautiful bright pink shade from the Juvia's Place Berries palette. You guys, I just was getting tired of doing soft glam. I love my soft glam now, but you know, it's the end of the summer, so let's go ahead and play in some color. And next I'm going in with the Warrior palette by Juvia's Place and taking my favorite warm brown shade, and that's just going to help me blend out that pink so that way it's not a harsh transition between the transition shade and my eyebrow bone color. And next I'm going to be using the Morphe Sour Patch Kids palette and taking that beautiful light purple lilac shade, and I'm going to blend that over the lid of my eye using a flat eyeshadow brush. And this kind of gives like that fake cut crease look without having to actually do a cut crease. And next I'm just closing off the outer corner with that same pink shade that we used earlier. And next we're going to get into the face. Now you guys, this was my very first time using Makeup by Mario's foundation. I'm not even gonna lie to you guys, I wasn't really a fan of it. Before I set my foundation, well, blend my foundation, I am going to use the Morphe Continuous Setting Spray. I do like to spray that on my face before I blend out my foundation. It just gives a nice dewy finish. And back to the foundation. Now, I don't know, you guys, let me know down below in the comments if you're feeling this shade. I don't know if it was just the shade for me. I do like how the foundation blended out, but I don't know. I just wasn't feeling it. Maybe because I've been using my NARS too long. I'm becoming a narcissist a little bit. But yeah, y'all let me know down below what you think about the foundation. And I'm following up with the NARS Creamy Radiant Concealer. And I'm just going to go in with the shade, I believe this is Chocolate, underneath the eyes, just to color correct before I go in with my brightening concealer. And this is the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer. I will leave all the shades listed down below in the description box for you guys. And I'm just going in and highlighting in my normal places, underneath the eyes, the bridge of the nose, the chin. And I do really like how this concealer blends out. Sometimes I just want a little light highlight, not nothing too much. So this is definitely one of my favorite products to grab when I'm doing this look. And I'm blending out my concealer with my favorite, my ultimate favorite concealer brush. This is the Mary Kay Cream color brush. You guys, I love this brush because it almost mimics like using your fingers to blend out your concealer, and I just love how it just melts the concealer into the skin like butter. Baby, do you see that blend? Like, yes ma'am. So I do like to start off with the edges of the concealer and then just work my way into the middle to get a nice blend. And after you blend out your concealer, you always want to make sure that you follow up with your foundation brush around the edges so that way everything blends all in together and you don't have any harsh lines of where your concealer begins and your foundation ends. And next I'm going to take a powder puff and go into my MAC Studio Fix foundation, and I'm going to blend out my under eye concealer. And now I'm going to be sculpting out the face, and I don't really contour. I love a more bronzier look, so I'm going to go in with a warm shade. This is the Black Opal foundation stick in the shade Suede Mocha, and I'm just doing the cheekbones, forehead, and going in with my Real Techniques foundation brush to buff that out. And I also do like to go back in with my foundation brush again just to blend out the edges, so that way there's a smooth transition from my bronzer to my foundation and to my concealer. And I'm just going to blend that out all over the face. And now for my favorite part, we are going to wrap this look up with the lips. For the lip combo today, I'm going to be using the Mary Kay lip liner in the shade Chocolate. I've been loving this lip liner lately. It is so creamy and smooth and long lasting. So I'm going to overline my lips. I love a little nice overline. And I'm going to start with the upper lip and work my way to the bottom. And I like to just follow the natural shape of my lips and just do a little extra. And once I have my lip liner to my liking, I'm going to go in with my clear lip gloss. You guys, hands down, my favorite lip gloss is from the Beauty Supply store. I have not tried any other clear lip glosses. Like, I just stick to what works for me. So you guys, let me know down below some other clear lip glosses that's your favorite. I love this brand just because it's long lasting and it gives a nice shine. And I'm just going to blend that all over my lips. And lastly, I'm going to top this lip look off together using the Mary Kay Ultimate Lip Gloss in the shade Pink Ballerina, just so that way I can bring that pink into this look. You guys, this has been my favorite lip combo for the summer. And again, I will have everything listed down below in the description box so that way you guys can get your hands on these products. And here are the final results of this makeup look. I really do hope that you all enjoyed this makeup tutorial and learned something new. Definitely do not forget to give this video a thumbs up and drop me a comment down below of your thoughts on this look. And do not forget to share this video with your beauty besties so that way we all can look fabulous together. And remember to stay beautiful, stay blessed, stay safe, and stay poppin'. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.